Life isn't always about what you gain. Sometimes it's about what you finally understand. These are 50 harsh truths you must learn before it's too late. Because wisdom doesn't always come with age, it comes with pain. People don't change because you want them to. They change when life forces them to. Stop trying to heal what doesn't want to be fixed. Comfort is a slow poison. It feels warm, but it kills your purpose quietly. You'll lose friends the moment you start growing, not because you changed, but because you outgrew the version they loved. Success is rented, not owned, and rent is due every day. Every sunrise asks you one question: are you still hungry? Not everyone who smiles with you is happy for you. Some clap only to hide the sound of their jealousy. You can love someone deeply and still not be right for each other. Love alone doesn't build peace. Alignment does. Most people only care when they need something from you. That's why silence is the best way to see who's real. The truth hurts more than lies, but it heals faster. Pain is temporary. Regret lasts forever. Discipline will do what motivation can't, because feelings fade, but discipline doesn't ask how you feel. Nobody owes you anything. Not love, not loyalty, not attention. The world doesn't reward need, it rewards value. You'll never heal if you keep reopening old wounds. Let it bleed once, not forever. Forgive them, not because they deserve it, but because you deserve peace. Money won't fix your emptiness. Purpose will. Life doesn't get easier. You just get stronger. You were built to adapt, not to quit. The world doesn't reward effort, it rewards results. You can be busy all day and still go nowhere. Not everyone will understand your silence. But silence is a language only the wise speak. Most people listen to reply, not to understand. That's why peace feels lonely. Your emotions can be your greatest weapon or your worst enemy. Learn to control them before they control you. You can't pour from an empty cup. Take care of yourself first. It's not selfish, it's survival. Stop expecting loyalty from people who can't even be honest. Loyalty without truth is just manipulation. Pain changes people, but it also awakens them. Some blessings only come wrapped in fire. You can't heal in the same place that broke you. Sometimes leaving is the lesson. The sooner you accept rejection, the faster you'll find direction. Rejections is redirection. Always. Life isn't fair, but your mindset decides how far you'll go in an unfair world. Fear kills more dreams than failure ever will. Move scared, but move anyway. Time is the most valuable currency. Spend it wisely because you can never earn it back. You don't need more followers. You need more focus. Discipline beats popularity. The person you'll spend the rest of your life with is you, so make yourself someone you're proud to live with. What you tolerate today becomes your standard tomorrow. Raise your standards, or lower your life. Your comfort zone is a beautiful prison. It looks safe, until you realize nothing grows there. No one claps for you at the beginning. They only celebrate results, not effort. Keep building in silence. You can't save everyone, and trying to will destroy you. The loudest in the room is often the weakest inside. Strength whispers. Don't explain yourself to people committed to misunderstanding you. Your peace isn't up for debate. Some people only love the version of you that benefits them. The moment you stop serving their interest, they vanish. You can't start the next chapter if you keep rereading the last one. Turn the page. It's time. Everyone wants change, but few want to change. Transformation demands sacrifice. Pain will visit you, but suffering is a choice. Weak people revenge, strong people forgive, and intelligent people move on. Choose wisdom over pride. Your mindset creates your reality. Whatever you believe becomes your world. The world doesn't care about excuses, only outcomes. Excuses don't pay rent in success. Growth feels lonely because elevation requires separation. Don't beg for attention. Become so good, they can't ignore you. The moment you stop chasing, what's meant for you finds you. Some bridges must burn, not out of anger, but out of clarity. Not everyone deserves access to your peace. Happiness is built, not found. You don't stumble into peace. You create it daily. You attract what you believe you deserve. So raise your self-worth and watch your world shift. Your circle defines your ceiling. Surround yourself with builders, not doubters. One day, you'll realize the struggle was the blessing all along. If these truths hit your heart, it's because they were meant to. Don't just listen to them, live them, because wisdom means nothing if you don't act before it's too late.